Another voice spoke. It wasn't loud. It wasn't arrogant. But it was rooted in something stronger than strength. The one who had knowledge of the book said, "I will bring it to you before your gaze returns to you. In the blink of an eye, before you can close and open your eyes." A span of milliseconds. And it happened. The throne was there, transported across over 2,000 kilometers from Yemen to Jerusalem in an instant, not through technology, not through magic, but through divine permission granted to a servant who carried a key, knowledge of the book. Today's scientists call it quantum entanglement. They've discovered that particles can communicate faster than light, even if separated by thousands of kilometers. They try to understand how information, matter, and energy can relocate instantly across vast distances. But the throne of Bilqis? It wasn't just data. It was a massive physical object, moved not through technology, but through taqwa, God consciousness, certainty, and knowledge of divine secrets. Sulaiman A.S. didn't clap. He didn't brag. He humbled himself. "This is from the bounty of my Lord, to test me whether I will be grateful or ungrateful, a lesson for every ambitious soul. The miracles you receive aren't for your status. They are tests of your sincerity." Sulaiman A.S. had her throne placed in front of her, disguised slightly, and asked her, "Is this your throne?" She hesitated, confused, stunned. "It looks like it," she replied. And then came another test. As she entered the palace, she saw a floor that looked like flowing water. She raised her garments, thinking she would get wet, but it was clear glass, an illusion, a mirror to her beliefs. She said, "My Lord, I have wronged myself. I submit with Sulaiman to Allah, the Lord of the worlds." It wasn't the throne that traveled. It was her heart. From arrogance to surrender, from sun worship to submission to the one who created the sun. You may not move physical thrones across countries, but you can move hearts through dua dreams, through certainty reality, through surrender.